How's it going, guys? So, we're currently working here at vicrez to ship all the pre-orders for the 2020 wide body kits. As you guys can see, we're pretty packed here, but we're doing the best we can to send all the orders in a timely manner. Pretty much all this is going out. We had quite a few pre-orders, and once again, we're doing the best we can to ship everything out in a timely manner. So as of right now, the ones going out is the 2020 wide body kits, and part number for that one is BC 102199. As you guys can see over here, let me put one up really quick. So they have already the fender built in. I don't know if you can really see it from there, and they come with pretty much everything, including the grills. And all the accessories to mount it onto your vehicle. Also, we had quite a few also pre-orders for the 2020 rocker panel. Let me see if I can pull one up really quick. So that one will fill up the gap from our previous kit for the charger, as you can see here. And this will pretty much fill in the small gap from the fenders for the demo wide body kit that we had. And part number for that one is BC 102120. Over there we have the 2020 wide body rear diffusers. And all the rocket panels over here, they're going out. We're still doing the best we can to ship everything in a timely manner. How's it going, guys? So here we have the 2020 wide body conversion for those chargers from years 2015 and up. And also we have the 2020 wide body rear diffuser, also compatible with the OEM wide bodies from years 2020 and up. And part number for the full kit is BC 102199. And we're currently shipping out pre-orders as we speak. And we're doing the best we can to send all the orders in a timely manner. We have quite a few pre-orders. So we just started shipping them out, and we're going accordingly to the date that we're placed. And if everything goes as planned, we should be done between the 18th and the 24th of this month. Thank you guys so much for patiently waiting. I know there's quite a few customers that have been waiting for quite a while, and we greatly appreciate you guys. Also, before I forget, this is the wide body rocker panel, also compatible with our previous wide body, which is part number is BC 2120. If you're not planning on going the 2020 conversion, you can always use this along with the BC 2120 to get the wide body look without the front and the rear 2020 conversion bumpers. Once again, the 2020 rear diffuser, the wide body is also compatible with the 2020 factory wide bodies from Dodge, and of course with the rear bumper that we have here. And here we have, let me pull it up really quick over here. So here we have the kit, 2020 conversion, the wide body from years 2015 and up. And here we have, if you have previously ordered this kit from us, we have the rocket panel that goes on the bottom that will fill in the gap. Part number for that one is BC 102172. They're currently in stock.
Yeah, there's different selections.
So this is the little piece that will fill in the gap.
1.5 is 18 by 8 or 20 by 8.5.
Okay, and what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're still going through pre-orders.
There's 31 offsets.
And let me show you a really cool new product too, also being released in the next couple of weeks. And here we have the SRT style spoiler. Part number for that one is PC 102178. And this one is a new rear spoiler that we have just released. part number for this one is BC102240. So this one, it's a little slightly more aggressive. It comes with a weaker built-in, or lip, however you want to call that. And we're currently taking pre-orders, and it should be available in the next couple of weeks. So it's slightly more aggressive compared to the SRT one. And Leon over there wants me to speak a little bit louder, but I don't want to disrupt his.
Say louder so you guys can hear too, right?
And over there we have Diana putting in the work as well. And thank you once again for your unconditional support as always. We're doing the best we can to keep all the orders in a timely manner. Thank you. Okay, and before I forget, I also wanted to mention that we're gonna have these 3 styles for the Widebody, both the Challenger and the Charger. And they're specifically made just for the Widebody with a negative 2.5 offset. We have the red-eyed style, Hellcat, and they should be available in the next couple of weeks. I want to say by mid-February or early February. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more awesome content, and we'll see you guys next time.